Wagwan was great. Chef Fitz in the building today again. Today we are going to prepare a Jamaican special breakfast. Guess what? Today we are going to prepare fried dumpling with saltfish and cabbage. Don't worry about the size cabbage. We probably just use a quarter of it. Alright? So stay tuned. Breakfast special.
In the feelings, noticing you really like me, can't control my anxiety, feeling like I'm touching the ceiling. When I'm with you, I can't breathe. Boy, you do something to me.
Alright, welcome back. First we're gonna prepare the saltfish. So I have the saltfish in water soaking down from last night. So I'm gonna just to eliminate the boiling time, trying to get out most of the salt. Alright. So I'm gonna put it in some cold water, put it on the stove and have it boil. Okay? Okay, this is our dough. Our dough was already prepared from last night. Making fried dumpling is different than making festival. All right, almost the same amount of ingredients, but different. I think you have about 2 or 3 additional ingredients in the festival. All right, so in this we have a cup of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon salt, 1 spoon baking powder, quarter cup cornmeal, yeah, and then 2 ounces of butter. Rub in the dry ingredients first, and then we add water and rub it in to build the dough. Alright, so we put it in the fridge from last night. So we take it out now, and then we're gonna roll the dough and roll it in small pieces. So here we roll our dough into some small balls, and then we're gonna put them into the oil. Alright, so we have about half cup of cooking oil. I also add a little of the cooking oil that I use from the chicken, because the reason for that, I like to get that flavor, give it a better taste when you add a little bit of the oil what you use to fry a chicken or probably fry something else. So I also add a little bit of that cooking oil to the pot. Alright, so let's see. Here we have our saltfish boiling. After 5 to 10 minutes you take it out of the fire, throw off the water, and then you give it a second boil for about 5 minutes. Alright, so we're now going to add our dough to the oil. So we're frying it on between medium to low heat, because we don't want our dumpling to get burned, and we don't want it to get soggy and full of oil. Alright, so between medium heat to low heat, frying our dumpling. Alright. Alright, so we're going to keep an eye on it. Alright, so as you can see where our dumpling started to get brown, to ensure that it's golden brown. Alright, golden brown. Alright, so we remove our starfish. We're going to clean it up now and prepare it to fry it. Yes, look at our dumpling. The Jamaican fried dumpling, look at it. It started to look good. Yeah, so crispy look. Yeah, man. Continue. So our saltfish is clean and ready to fry up. Alright. There's it. Our Jamaican dumpling is ready. Look at it, it's golden brown, ready to eat. Oh. Alright, as you can see, here we start prepare some of our ground season. We have the tomato, we have the onion, we have a little bit of scallion, we have bell pepper and scotch bonnet, and also here we have the cabbage that we cut up. Alright, so we add a little oil to the pot, have it hot for a little while, and then we're going to put in the saltfish. The reason why I'm going with my saltfish first is because it give my steamed cabbage a better foundation. Alright, I don't like to have a soft saltfish added to the cabbage. Everything just seems so soft. Alright, so I'm add our saltfish first. So after about a minute, we can basically add our ground seasoning. Right? We also sprinkle a little bit of black pepper on it. Not a lot. And then we stir it. Looking good, boy. Wow. Here we have our cabbage. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of salt. Not a lot, you know, because remember the saltfish still having a little bit of salt. So you don't want to kill your cabbage with salt and send up your pressure. Alright, just a little bit. Alright, so we're going to add our cabbage. Add a little bit more black pepper. Good. Ensure that the fire is between medium heat and low heat. Alright? Don't want to burn up the thing, so we're going to cover the pot and have it steam down for about 3 minutes. Alright? So after 3 to 4 minutes, the cabbage, the saltfish started to come together now, yeah? I think it's good to go. Give it half a minute more, 30 more seconds. And that's it. Time to shear. Wow! It looks so. That's it. Alright, there you have it. Jamaican fried dumpling with saltfish and cabbage, steamed cabbage. Tell me, look. Oh my God, it looks so delicious. Let me sprinkle a little of this on it, yeah? Sprinkle a little on it, make it look so looking good. I hope you enjoyed this morning breakfast, and I hope you guys stay the lights and enjoy the rest of the day. Love you now. I'm out.
No, this ain't really like me. Can't control my anxiety. Feeling like I'm touching the ceiling. When I'm with you, I can't breathe. Boy, you do something to me.